Hey guys, this is open box review and quality test for ZJoey horsehair brushes. I bought this one not only for my shoes, but really for my leather seat in the car. Here's everything including the package. The first thing is microfiber. It's very soft and very good feeling, perfect for the job. And here's a brush. You can see it's 100% horsehair, and here's a raw beechwood. It's about a little bit 6.5 long, and this is almost a 7-inch long. And the biggest brush is about 6.5 inch long. You can see it's a very good quality, well made. The natural wood feels really good, perfectly fit in my hand, good ergonomic design. Let's weight it. The rounded hair about 36 gram, the long one is about 19 gram, and the biggest one, which is about 115 gram. Let's see how it works in the car seat. First, I put those a cleaner spray, and then I just using the big brush of the horse hair brush, just brush it. I only clean the half side so you can see how effective it is before and after for the other half. For the corner or for the small piece, I can use this rounded head and still get every single detail, get to touch it. This is how it works like. After the cleaning, I have just clean half. You can see this is a very effective brush set. They have a variety of size. Overall, it's really good quality, 100% horsehair. I really like it.